doing?
We're filming for Ministry of Sound TV, and there's a gig going on tonight in Coco, and Justice are playing, and they're this amazing two French guys from Paris. We've just jumped in a cab. We're very excited. We're going to a very special gig tonight. God, I love black cabs. Don't you love black cabs? There's so much space. Camden is a very important place for music and its culture. It's full of mods, rockers, punks, record shops, clothing, teenagers, the works. Quite a trashy way, but a nice trashy way. We love Camden. Today we will be spending the evening with two very special people, Gaspard and Xavier from Justice. I'm so excited. The two French brains behind this amazing music. Here we are. I got a little treat for you, okay? You don't have to take it, but we found the most exciting French red wine we've ever seen in our lives.
This is nice.
What do you think of that in a plastic bottle?
Can I have some?
Please.
No, it's okay actually. It's not that bad.
What can we expect tonight?
Blood, sweat and tears.
La 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 Just tell us a little bit about how you came across Justice and how it all started with them.
I met we keep repeating this and it's a true story. I don't know the word in English, but I wasn't invited to a dinner. So I was not invited to that dinner, and I managed to squeeze in, and it was a beautiful cheese party at Gaspard's place, and a friend of a friend was there, and I said, yeah man, I want to go there, you know, and nobody knew about Justice. Even them, they didn't knew they will become a real band. And during the dinner they told me, yeah, we are making some. They were a bit shy. Now when we speak about it, it was funny. They were like, oh shit, Pedro is coming. And then they told me, yeah, can we make you listen to some music? And I said, man, of course. And I went to their room and I listened to this We Are Your Friends Monster. And I sit down and I say,
How you guys got together?
We met in 2003, and then we were just a bit bored, and we decided to make music together. But we could also have been to the cinema or what. track we did together was We Are Your Friends. And then we released the Waters of Nazareth 2 years after in 2005. And after that we were just waiting to have enough ideas to work on the album. And now the album is out since 3 months.
Alright, be sensible please, don't make me look drunk. I'm swimming in the beer glasses! Swimming!